Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Vskills. The job role of a ReactJS developer typically involves developing user interfaces using the ReactJS library. In order to be successful in ReactJS developer interview, you need a combination of technical and soft skills. And together with a deep understanding of core JavaScript concepts and ReactJS, along with some experience with HTML, Git, Redux, RESTful APIs, testing and debugging, you can be good to go. And if you are preparing for an interview, then here are some technical job interview questions and answers for a ReactJS developer position. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Question number 1. How does ReactJS handle state management? The answer to this is, ReactJS provides a simple way to manage state using the setState method. The state is an object that stores the dynamic data of the component. And when the state changes, the component is re-rendered and updated data is displayed. In addition, ReactJS also provides a state management library called Redux. This helps to manage complex state across multiple components. With this, we come to question number 2, which is how do you optimize the performance of a ReactJS application? The answer to this is, there are several ways to optimize performance of a ReactJS application, such as using shouldComponentUpdate method to prevent unnecessary re-renders, using pure component instead of a regular component to improve performance, using code splitting to load only required components, and using React Lazy and Suspense to load component lazily. Question number 3. How do you implement server-side rendering in ReactJS? Well, the server-side rendering in ReactJS can be implemented using libraries such as Next.js or Gatsby. These libraries provide a framework for building several side render React applications. Server-side rendering can improve SEO and initial page load time by delivering HTML content from the server. Question number 4. How do you handle forms in ReactJS? The answer to this is, in ReactJS, forms are typically handled using controlled components. Controlled components are components that receive their current value through props and notify changes using events like onChange. By keeping the state of the form in a React component, it allows us to handle the form submission and validation with ease. Question number 5. Can you explain the difference between props and state in ReactJS? Well, props are short properties which are passed from a parent component to a child component. They are read-only and cannot be modified by the child component. On the other hand, state is a private internal data of a component that can be modified using setState method. State changes trigger the component to re-render, whereas prop changes do not. With this, we come to question number 6, which is how do you handle errors in ReactJS? ReactJS provides an error handling mechanism using error boundaries. Error boundaries are components that catch errors from their child components and display a fallback UI. Error boundaries are used to ensure that the entire application does not crash due to errors in any one component. Question number 7. How do you handle asynchronous data in ReactJS? Well, asynchronous data in ReactJS can be handled using libraries such as Axios or Fetch to make HTTP requests to an API. And once the data is fetched, it can be stored in the component state, which will trigger a re-render and display the updated data. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to prepare for your next interview and become job ready with Vskills ReactJS Developer Certification Exam. And if you like the video, then smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for more such videos.
Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us.